If you want to rename your DJI drone, it is actually quite easy to do. I will be renaming Mini 4 Pro using RC2 remote controller, but I assume the process will be very similar on any other drone and any other remote control from DJI. All you need to do is to connect the drone to the remote controller, then tap on Go Fly, and then tap on the three dots in the corner of the screen. This will open the drone settings, and now you need to go to the About tab. Here you can see the current name of your drone, and if you tap the pencil button next to the name, a pop-up will appear enabling you to rename your drone. When you tap on the current device name, a touchscreen keyboard will appear and you can use it to rename the drone to whatever name you want. After you're done, click OK and the device will report that the name has been modified successfully, and from now on, your drone will have a different name.
I am the god of YouTube!
Like, subscribe, jingle bells.